calling my lawyer right now.
You can call whoever you want to call.
I know.
But this is how we're going to do this.
Hey,
you might want to call my side.
Trespass
Sir,
me,
you can either leave on your own or you can leave with us.
Yeah.
On March 18th, 2024, Fort Lauderdale Police responded to an intoxicated passenger removed from a Delta flight who refused to leave the terminal after trespass warnings.
Hey sir, how you doing?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
I already heard the story.
What's that?
That's the story that I told you.
Well, that's her story. That's her version of it.
That's what you guys couldn't believe.
What's that?
I waved you down and you didn't even acknowledge me. You went straight to her.
Yeah, because you didn't call me.
You're right. You're right about that.
So that's how it works.
All right,
That's how it works. We go to people who calls us.
Okay.
All right.
So what's my right now to do? I lost my flight.
I haven't even heard your story.
Huh?
I haven't heard your story yet.
Okay, so I'm asking you, what's my right now? The flight left. The guy, bro, they give you $300 if you want to volunteer to give up your seat, right? Right. I came. I had my ticket. The one she already took my ticket like that. It was in 19B. I sat down there. They put my bag there, right? A couple minutes later, she came and told me, when you give up your seat, you need to go to 43D. That's fine. I got up. I went over there. I didn't move my bag. And I went to 43D. Now, all I was asking was, why did that happen? Not that I want the seat back or that I want some conversation or nothing. I need to get to Atlanta. And then they're talking about, they came down, oh, you need to get out of here because you're intoxicated. And this is where we're at. The flight left, I'm here. I'm calling fucking Delta right now. If they give me the 8:50 flight, that's fine.
What's the last name, sir?
Why?
Okay, well, you want me to help you. I mean, first of all, I want to speak to you with respect. Okay, that's first and foremost.
I'm speaking with you with respect.
So, yeah. This is how we're going to play this. This is how we're going to play this.
Yep, exactly. You want me to leave?
Yep. All right. Leave terminal. Thanks, sir. Have a good night.
For real?
Yep, for real.
Calling my lawyer right now.
You can call whoever you want to call.
I know.
But this is how we're going to do this.
Hey,
you might want to call my side.
Trespass
Sir,
me,
you can either leave on your own or you can leave with us.
Yeah.
You got options.
Okay.
And I so you better I can tell you.
Okay.
The ball's in your court.
I ain't got no balls. Trying to get to Atlanta to take care of my shit.
All right. You got a cell phone. That means you can talk and walk.
I know.
Let's go. Sir, I'm asking you again. Please leave the property.
Look at this. And they give me the number. That's not even working. Wow.
Sir, can you please stop? Copy.
You guys are crazy, man. You can't treat people like this. No matter what.
Sir,
there's no disturbance.
Sir.
There's nothing.
And not do what we're telling you to do.
The food.
Sir, I'm telling you now, leave the property.
Bro, I left my seat and I went to another one. And I was just asking them why.
Again.
And that's it.
I'm asking again. I'm actually real nice. Please leave.
Oh, what's that real nice? Well, you're gonna call your buddies, bro?
I don't need buddies. I don't need buddies.
Big dude.
I don't need buddies. Science has nothing to do with nothing. So I'm asking you again.
That's not right.
I'm asking you again, sir.
It's not right, bro.
I'm asking you again. Please leave the property.
I'm telling you, I have.
This is private property. This ain't public.
No, this is public, bro.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's an airport. It's not
that's
public.
what you guys think.
It's not public. Okay. Please leave the property.
Forever?
Please leave the property.
So I can come tomorrow with another ticket?
425, one more time, D number 1.
Hey, I can come tomorrow with another...
Please leave the property.
You guys are funny as fuck, bro.
Okay, we finna see funny.
Yeah.
Please leave the property.
Yeah, you would. Yeah, that's why you were fucking nerds in high school.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
Yep, sure was. As long as you leave this property, that's all that matters. Yep. I was the biggest nerd ever.
How many dogs is this one?
Yep, that way.
That way?
Yes, sir.
So, let me ask you. How do I'm running Delta, they're not answering. So, how do I make a complaint with the airport?
You're not gonna make a complaint with the airport. You make a complaint with Delta.
Delta, right? They're not answering.
Well, they're gonna answer eventually. You gotta sit on hold.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna go. I'm just trying to get to...
Hey, Blake, I could use some help over at
You
gate 1,
gotta
please.
talk to them. You gotta call them. It's like anything else. You're gonna sit on hold for a while.
Look, what, you wanna listen to this shit?
What kind of help you need?
I know you don't. You're a bitch ass nigga.
I need another pair of hands, please.
I'll be a bitch ass nigga all day. Yeah. I'll be a bitch ass nigga all day.
I'll go first.
I'll be that all day. But you gonna leave this property.
Serve
I'll be
and
that bitch ass
protect.
nigga, but you gonna leave this property.
You're not gonna serve and protect shit, nigga. Yeah, you about your fucking life, nigga. Fuck out of here, nerd ass nigga.
Leave the property.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Thank you. Yep, sure will be.
All right.
Well, you won't be.
Oh,
I can show you that. I can show you that.
Shut the fuck up.
Yep, I can show you
What you
that.
gonna do?
Yep,
What you gonna do?
yep, keep doing what
Nah,
you
goddamn thing, nigga.
doing. Yep,
Big ass booty nigga with a glove.
Yeah.
Nothing. With nothing.
sure is.
Bitch ass nigga.
Sure is. Sure is.
I need somebody to take pictures of a wheelchair, please.
Exactly.
Yep,
I
hit
got
that
no
door.
choice.
I'll be that bitch
What you
ass
wanna
nigga.
do?
Hit that door.
Nah,
that door.
they get that
Go
door to
ahead.
me.
Go ahead. There
Don't
you go.
touch me.
Bo,
Fuck out of here, nigga.
dude,
Small ass big nigga. Shut the fuck up.
big man, go ahead.
Nah, I ain't no big man.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. There you go.
We got kids
Thank you.
here. We got kids here.
Thank you.
Hey, get out the way, boy.
Appreciate that.
Scoping just.
You good? You done? Alright, cool. Have a good night.
You too, man.
And you might want to find somewhere else to fly, because I'm make sure Delta, you don't fly with Delta ever again in life.
I'll make sure you.
Alright, yep. Have a good night. Yep.
Your mama too.
Yep. Ask your mama. I'll be there.
Oh, I am. He's not. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Fuck out of here. Fucking intimidating, bro.
You're being cool, right?
Yeah, but look, you saw how you just walked over me? You're a sergeant, right? No, he's a
Turn
sergeant.
around. You're on the rest.
He's a
Turn around.
sergeant.
You're on the rest.
Go
Turn around.
Terminal 3,
You're on the rest. I'm done.
For what?
Turn around.
For what?
Turn around.
Why am I arrested for?
I'm done playing. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. When you get slammed, dude. Oh, I'm fucking playing with you.
fucking baby. I'm fucking coming on.
I'm playing with you.
My back right there.
Yes, sir.
My back right there. I didn't put my leg on.
Give me a cup. Give me a cup.
Oh.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Hey, I missed my...
Have a seat. Have a seat, bro. I just told you to have a seat. Keep it. Sit here asking your ass. Enough already.
Wow. Really ass niggas, though.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah, you be there.
Sit up.
Right?
Sit up.
You sit me over.
Sit up.
You sit me over.
All right, you can hurt yourself.
I'm not hurting myself. You can't. You gotta take the toss off so you can get the bag out.
You got ID on you? What's
No,
ID?
I don't.
You ain't got ID?
Nope.
Okay, cool. What's your name? What's your name? You ain't got a name? I ain't gonna play this game with you. Where's the phone? Let the phone go. Let the phone go. Let the phone go. Let the phone go.
There you go.
Let the phone go. Thank you, sir. What do you say? Let the phone go. Thank you.
Y'all feel real good, right?
Yeah, we do. You got ID on you?
Nope.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Nah, you roll me over, man.
I roll you. All right.
Strong guy. That's a power trip that you are.
Yeah.
Fuck that. You ain't gonna do what I do.
You have a Florida driver's license, sir?
Huh?
You have a Florida driver's license? Where are you from?
I'm from my mama's womb.
You know what state?
Bro, you got my ID, bro. You ran that shit. You know what's up.
My guys, your passport.
Exactly. Man, that's all you need to know. That's the most American shit that you could have. A passport. Get out of here.
Where's your car? You got your car is in the back?
It's all of it's over there. Like the one with the lights on.
Yeah. Nah, we got a hammer, PC or whatever. I'll write it up. But his ass going. I'm not gonna say play.
Going on what? On what? You have no fucking...
Well, I know.
Okay. That's some corrupt ass cops, bro. Go for the past night. 24 hours, bro. I'll be out tomorrow.
Yeah, sure will, but you won't be here.
Synthetic shit, bro. I hope you have your camera on.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna sue
The
the shit
entire
out of you.
time.
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
Entire time.
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
Good, please do. Get
Yes.
in line.
Yeah.
Get in line.
Get in line.
This case illustrates critical principles of trespass law, property rights in airport terminals, and the consequences of ignoring lawful orders. When the officer arrives, he speaks to the Delta employee first, not the passenger. This is legally correct. Under Florida property law, the complainant establishes trespass authority. Delta Airlines, as leaseholder of their ticketing counter space, has absolute right to exclude individuals for any non-discriminatory reason, just like a private business. The passenger asks for his last name. The officer asks for his name to engage cooperatively. The passenger responds, "Why?" This refusal marks the turning point. The officer issues the first formal trespass warning under Florida Statute 810.08. You can either leave on your own, or you can leave with us. Once warned to leave private property and refusing, the person commits criminal trespass. The officer clearly articulates two options: voluntary departure or arrest. The passenger remains at the counter, makes phone calls, and argues. This raises a First Amendment question. Does he have the right to stay and voice his complaint? The answer is no. While airport terminals are public accommodations, Delta's ticketing area is leased private space. Delta can exclude individuals for any lawful reason. Second, time, place, and manner restrictions apply. Yelling and cursing after being ordered to leave constitutes disorderly conduct under Florida Statute 877.03. Third, failure to comply with a lawful police order is itself criminal. The officer has given clear, repeated commands to leave the property. Notice the officer's de-escalation pattern. Multiple warnings, tactical repositioning when the passenger becomes argumentative, and calling for backup rather than immediately escalating. The officer states, "I'm not playing with you," as a final warning. At this point, he has documented on camera multiple opportunities for voluntary compliance. The passenger finally leaves. The officer follows to ensure departure. The encounter could have ended here without arrest. The passenger was complying, albeit reluctantly. However, police reports indicate the passenger returned to the Delta counter after being formally trespassed. This changes everything. Under Florida Statute 810.08, returning after trespass warning is not merely refusal to leave. It is criminal trespass. The person was warned, left, then voluntarily returned. When officers locate him inside again, a sergeant arrives and immediately orders arrest. The passenger asks, "For what?" and does not turn around or comply. Now we analyze use of force under Graham versus Connor. The Supreme Court established that reasonableness must be judged from the officer's perspective at that moment. 3 factors apply. First, severity of crime. Criminal trespass after warning is a more serious violation than initial refusal. Second, immediate threat. The passenger could flee or escalate resistance. Third, active resistance. The passenger refuses to turn around, refuses to place hands behind his back, and tenses his body against officers' control attempts. Officers take him to the ground using empty hand control. Notice, no strikes, no batons, no tasers, no chokeholds. Only body weight and leverage to control arms and apply handcuffs. This is passive resistance, not violent, but non-compliance requiring physical intervention. The force used is proportional to the resistance encountered and objectively reasonable. After arrest, officers conduct a search incident to arrest, authorized under United States v. Robinson. During any lawful arrest, officers may search for weapons and evidence. The passenger refuses to provide information and makes statements about suing. The officer responds, "Get in line," confident the Bodycam supports the arrest's lawfulness. 2 charges were filed. Trespass under Florida Statute 810.08 for returning after warning, and disorderly conduct under 877.03 for refusing lawful orders. Bond was set at $650, standard for misdemeanor offenses. Could this outcome have been avoided? Absolutely, at multiple decision points. First, when Delta offered rebooking on a later flight. Second, when the officer first gave the option to leave voluntarily. Third, by simply not returning after walking out. The passenger's decision to return converted a customer service dispute into criminal charges. Evaluating the officer, grade B-. Legally sound actions, proper trespass enforcement, appropriate use of force, and good documentation. The grade is not higher because the officer missed de-escalation opportunities through enhanced communication. Modern training emphasizes slowing encounters and building rapport. When the passenger asked about his rights, the officer could have acknowledged frustration before pivoting to trespass authority. "I understand missing your flight is frustrating, but Delta has asked you to leave." The phrase, "This is how we're going to play this," suggested confrontation rather than cooperation. Better explanation of Delta's legal authority might have helped. Evaluating the passenger, grade D. While nonviolent, his decisions were consistently poor throughout the encounter. He misunderstood property law, ignored clear warnings, committed criminal offenses, and turned a minor frustration into a criminal record and jail time. The fundamental error: refusing to leave private property after being told by both airline staff and law enforcement. Private property rights are absolute for non-discriminatory exclusions. The critical mistake: returning after trespass warning. This elevated the situation from civil dispute to criminal conduct under Florida law. Evaluating the department, grade C+. Adequate response and proper legal protocols, but room for improvement in training and documentation. Missing body cam footage from the second officer raises documentation concerns. For arrest cases involving force, all relevant footage should be preserved. The department should enhance de-escalation training, develop airport-specific protocols, and ensure complete documentation standards for all officers. Key lessons from this incident. First, understand property rights. Airlines control their leased terminal space and can exclude passengers for virtually any lawful reason. Second, comply with trespass warnings immediately. Leaving when ordered prevents criminal charges. Arguing your position on private property after being told to leave will result in arrest. Third, never return after being trespassed. Leaving then returning converts the situation from potential civil issue to guaranteed criminal prosecution. Fourth, passive resistance still justifies physical force. Not turning around or tensing your body against officer control is resistance, even without violence. Fifth, document everything. Both citizens and officers benefit from video evidence. This passenger's threat to sue would fail because the body cam shows lawful police action. Finally, pursue complaints through proper channels. File formal grievances with airlines, regulatory agencies, or courts, not by refusing lawful orders on private property. This incident demonstrates how customer service issues escalate into criminal charges when individuals misunderstand trespass law and refuse compliance with lawful orders. Let us know what legal topics you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.